Okay, off goes. To 5 Lord Byron. Off to Clifton South. Hello and welcome along to the latest video from the Nottingham Transport enthusiasts, and today we are lineside here this afternoon, and today welcome to Compton. Let's let the cyclists through first and then we'll there we go, and see we're at Compton Acres on the phase 2 Nottingham Tram route. So you'll be seeing photos purely by Nottingham Express Transit from me. Some good views all around, stretching over there. I'm going to, and the weather's also decent this afternoon, so I thought I might as well come here to do some tram spotting, because I think it's a decent place to go, and yeah, so I'll go where there isn't this fence further on the line, and then we shall get set up from there. Bear with me whilst I move forward to the stop where we're going to be setting up. And I think we'll set up shop right here. Going to move a bit, and I think here we'll get some good decent views down that line. So I think around here I'll let these cyclists through, and then around here we'll set up shop. So let's see what else shall turn up, shall we? So let's see what else shall turn up, shall we? Let's get started. Let's get started here at Compton Acres. Enjoy all. And we're on the passing side today, as you can see. So enjoy the video, guys. You'll love it. Okay, passing through now will be a Nottingham Tram service from Phoenix Park to Clifton. Clifton South to Phoenix Park. Get it right, you fool. For want of a sit of this. And she is going at the clappers. Two, three, four, George Africanus. Were you honest for that one? Okay, coming past now is going to be a sit of this. This one is from Phoenix Park to Clifton South. This time I have got it right. Two-two-six Timmy Son Jack Wheeler. And a plane overhead, because why not? Okay, and after what seems like an age now, finally have a tram coming past. And there will be another one to follow. These are both going to be Citadis ones. The other ones that will put late at the moment is this one. 2:16 day or night. From Clifton South to Phoenix Park on that one. And I'll get the other one when it gets a bit closer. Okay, and having come past non-stop, or no, maybe not. But coming past now will be a tram service. This likes to give me sick of this all day, every day. Because we've got another one. And we shall find out what this is momentarily. Here we go. From Phoenix Park to Clifton South. And this one is going to be 223. Going like the absolute clappers there. Okay, coming past now, we finally got an in-centro passing by. This one is running from Phoenix Park, Clifton South to Phoenix Park. To 5, the Lord is here, Lord Byron. That was the tram that brought me in from the old Market Square. Certainly not hanging about. Okay, passing through now is, well, if we haven't had enough of the sisters trams, then here's another one. Off to Clifton South. For Vicky McClure. Vicky McClure. It's a decent cracking from the pantograph. Towards the end there. To Clifton South. From Phoenix Park. Okay, passing by now is a Nottingham Express Transit service going from Clifton South to Phoenix Park, formed of another city this. Here it comes. The return of 226 Jimmy Still and Jack Wheeler. Giving it what for? I'm still waiting for an in-centro to make an appearance. Okay, passing by now will be a service to Nottingham Express Transit service to Clifton South and Phoenix Park. It's an old in-centro. Come on. This is it. 213 Harry Potter. With some nice cracks off that pantograph. Nice motor too. Brilliant. What a pass. What a pass that was. Wow. Cool. Okay, coming past now is going to be a Consider this off to Phoenix Park from Clifton South. Watched by TT3. And I think it's safe to say he's giving it what for? In other news, a big thing being carried on scooter. Well, good luck with that one, madam. You're going to need it. Anyway, there is another tram up there, but we'll see it come about when it gets a little bit closer. Okay, passing through now. It's going to be servicing Clifton South and Phoenix Park from Nottingham Express Transit. TT9, Steve Anderson, MBE. Going there and giving it what for? Excellent. Okay, coming past now is going to be a service. Phoenix Park from Clifton South. Nottingham Transit. 224 Vicky McClure. Okay, coming past now will be a service off to, will be a tram service to Clifton South from Phoenix Park. It's going to be an Incentro. 202 with the honours for that one. And the sea continues onwards. I shall leave it there. Ahead of 213's expected return in a minute in Harry Potter. So thank you all very much for watching today's video from Compton Acres. If you have enjoyed what you've seen here today, then well, if you have enjoyed what you've seen in this video, then please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment. Well, overall, well, Compton Acres is a fantastic line side. It's a fantastic place for line side going. I'd say I really enjoyed filming here. It's been a, well, a few gaps in between tram services, but the views that are on offer are excellent that stretch down the line. From there to there, it's actually absolutely brilliant views down there. If only that thing wasn't in the way, then that would be better, but still good views all round. And yeah, so not a bad session here today. Yeah, plenty of chance to keep me going. Most of them were sitters though, but you know, had some Incentros as well. but seeing a new city disc, in fact more than that, still good. Still good to see some city trams as well. Samely dominating maybe, but you know, at least we've seen some insects as well. As coming by now is a total speed for sub works by 213 Mary Potter. So I have to say, Compton Acres is a fantastic spot to film at. It is brilliant. It is brilliant. Brilliant on the tram route. You get decent spots all round, and yeah, I had to say Compton Acres is very decent. It's a very decent spot. Going line side, because the tram's got fantastic speeds. So if you're into your line side filming, then I highly recommend Compton Acres. It is a fantastic spot to film at. And yeah, not bad. So my next video, I don't know yet what my next spotting video is going to be. But Compton Acres has been excellent. So yeah, I will probably come back here again. Probably. Just don't know when. It's a shame this fence is in the way. There's still some decent traction, but still you can still get decent traction. Spanning from down there to over there. So yeah, not bad at all. Stream down there probably. And I might as well get this sisters while I'm at it, since it's in the area. So yeah, Compton Acres is not bad at all. If there is ever a letdown here, then if there is ever a letdown for Compton Acres, then it is to do with the. If there is ever a letdown, then sometimes the dogs can walk along this route, but so I think for me that is, well, for filming purposes it can be a bit of a letdown, but you know. But you know, it's always a good spot to film on. So to finish things off is going to be and she'll go like the clappers. Nice motor. 230 George Green. Bringing down the house. So until next time, from me here at Compton Acres, I shall see you all later. I shall see you all next time. So until then, cheerio.